Friends, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we are going to talk about the water potential. Okay, so what is water potential and why it is important for plant? This is we will also try to understand in this video. So first of all, what is water potential? Okay, this is the representing symbol. Okay, so water potential is actually a measure of free energy of the water molecule that is expressed in the unit of pressure. So it's a measure of free energy, okay, of water molecule. And this is expressed in unit of pressure, that is megapascal. Okay, megapascal. So what does actually the water potential represent? So it represents the potential of water. Okay, the potential only, what is the potential of water to move from one location to another. Okay, so it explains the potential to move from one location to other. Okay, so in general, the water, it has the tendency to move from the region of high water potential to the lower water potential. Okay, so we know this already, that if there is a high water potential and there is a low water potential, then the water, it will move from high to low only. Okay, so this is a fundamental principle that is driving the water transport in the plants. Okay, so I hope the definition is clear to you. Now we are going to talk about the importance of water potential. Okay, so first of all, the first importance is that it is the essential for water transport. Okay, so it acts as a driving force for water transport. Okay, so this water potential only, it will act as a primary force and it will move the water from the soil, okay, through the root and xylem to the leaves. Okay, so if this movement of water is basically the uh, is basically due to the primary force of the water potential. Okay, then the second role of the water potential is the cell turgor maintenance. Okay, cell turgor maintenance. Okay, so what does it mean? That turgor is the pressure exerted by the cell content against the cell wall. Okay, so that this turgor is essential for maintaining the cell shape, okay, and the rigidity and structure. Okay, so all these properties, they are directly related to the water potential. Then comes the nutrient transport. So I already discussed in this first step that the water potential act as a driving force for the water transport, and water will have the dissolved when it is taken from the roots, from the soil. Then the water that is transported, it has the nutrient content also. So the water potential gradient, it will facilitate the nutrient dissolved in the water transport, okay, throughout the plants. Okay, the next is the photosynthesis. So we know what is photosynthesis. It's a process by which the plants make the food. Okay, so I have already made one of the video on the photosynthesis, that why it is considered as the most important process. So you can go and check that video in my channel. But here we are going to discuss that how water potential is playing a crucial role in photosynthesis. Okay, so actually we know that water is a reactant in the photosynthesis process. Okay, so the and we here we learned also that the water is transported to the leaves. Okay, so since the water is very essential for the photosynthesis and water potential is required for the water transport from roots to leaf, therefore process play a crucial role. Okay, so it will affect the stomatal opening also, and if first of all it will control the availability of the water to the leaf, and second it will affect the stomatal opening also. So if it will influence the stomatal opening, then the carbon dioxide uptake for the photosynthesis will be also influenced. So by these two processes, the water potential play quite a huge role in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so now the last but the not the least is growth and development. Okay, so we already discussed that the cell expansion or the turgor pressure, it relies on the water potential. So if the cell maintain their proper shape, rigidity and structure, then the growth is normal and the plant will develop on its own pace. And if the cell will lose its turgor, then eventually the cell will be damaged and the tissue will die. So this water potential is playing huge role in the growth and development of the plant also. So I hope, yeah, the concept of water potential, what it is, and what is the unit of its measurement, and what is the importance of water potential in plants, okay, is clear to you. Thank you for watching the video.